वेलकम टू आवर चैनल वी ऑलवेज लर्नर। इस वीडियो में हम एक्सरसाइज 8.1 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 कवर करेंगे। आपको वीडियो पसंद आएगा, आप लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए। क्वेश्चन इज ए बी सी एक ट्राइंगल गिवन है और डी ई एफ एक दूसरा ट्राइंगल गिवन है जिसमें कि ए बी साइड इज इक्वल टू डी साइड एंड बोथ आर पैरेलल आल्सो and BC is equal to EF and both are parallel also. The vertex A and B and C are joined with the DEF respectively. तो फर्स्ट हमें शो करना है कि ABED this is a quadrilateral and is also a parallelogram. First of all, we are going to show it with the color that we want to this as a parallelogram. We want to show that. So we are starting with the first part. So consider क्या कंसीडर करना है हमें that the quadrilateral A B E D इस quadrilateral में what we have, right? So we have, तो हमें given है that this relation that AB is equal to DE, and also we know that both are parallel, that AB is parallel with DE, right? So this relation we are aware of. Now if it is so, that implies that one pair of opposite sides are equal and parallel, and because they are equal and parallel, we can write that A B E D is a parallelogram, right? So another part number 2. So this is that now we can consider the quadrilateral B E F C. So what is that? This is B E F C. So this is the quadrilateral we are having. So in this quadrilateral, it is given that BC is equal to EF and they are parallel also. So what we have? We have BC is equal to EF and also we know that both are parallel. तो ये हमें यहाँ पर पता है. So same reason we can have here that one pair of opposite sides are equal and parallel. So we can write that here, right? And another, we know that if this is so, then we can say B, E, F and C is a parallelogram. Now the third part we are going to focus here. Third part is the AD is parallel with CF. So what is AD? AD is parallel with CF. This is CF. So Again, we have to rub it. What we want to have? We want to have that this AD is parallel with CF and they are equal also. So for that, we can write what we have. The AD is equal to BE. AD is equal to BE and AD is parallel with BE. Why? Because this is a parallelogram. ABED is a parallelogram जो हमने फर्स्ट में प्रूव किया था. ठीक है, बिकॉज ये पैरेललोग्राम है तो हम लिख सकते हैं इसमें दिस AD is equal to this BE and they are parallel also. Another one is from the second point that this CF is parallel and equal to BE. This one. So this is related to this. This is related to this. It means these two are related, right? So, but we have the CF is equal to BE and they are parallel also. So we can write the CF is parallel with BE. Why? Because from the second we can write BEFC is a parallelogram, right? और अगर ये दोनों रिलेशन इक्वल हैं तो प्रूव्ड हैं तो हम इन दोनों के बारे में भी लिख सकते हैं दैट इसको लिख लेते हैं हम फर्स्ट इक्वेशन, इसको लिखते हैं सेकंड. ठीक है, तो हम यहाँ लिख सकते हैं फ्रॉम 1 and 2 we can write that AD is equal to CF and they are parallel also. The AD is parallel with CF. Now the point number 4 we want to prove. The ACEF is a quadrilateral. So here we are targeting now ACF D. So this is a quadrilateral. और हमें प्रूव करना है that this is a parallelogram. So again we are writing since AD is parallel with CF is parallel and equal with CF as in the proof above. Okay, from this we can directly write it. So here we can also put that the one pair of opposite sides are equal, right? So we can directly write it, and equal and parallel. So the triangle ACFD is a parallelogram. Okay? So we are proceeding towards the next step, that is the fifth one. We can prove here also that the triangle ABC. Now I am showing this triangle with the red one. ABC. This ABC. This triangle is congruent with the triangle DEF. तो इन दोनों ट्राइंगल के बीच में कॉन्ग्रेंसी प्रूव करनी है हमें. So we are writing in the red triangle and in the green triangle we are having the AB is equal to this DE. the opposite sides of the parallelogram, because we already proved that ADBE is a parallelogram. So AB is equal to DE. Why? That is because of opposite sides of parallelogram. The next is the BC, this side, is equal to EF. Again, because हम BEFC को भी पैरेललोग्राम प्रूव कर चुके हैं, तो हम इसमें लिख सकते हैं BC is equal to EF with the same reason, right? Last one is CA is equivalent to this one, because हम ADFC को भी पैरेललोग्राम प्रूव कर चुके हैं, so we can write CA is equal to FD with the same reason, and this will make SAS criteria. So by SSS criterion of congruence, we can write triangle, the red one, is congruent with the triangle, green one, right? So hence proved. तो आपको वीडियो पसंद आई होगी, प्लीज लाइक करिएगा, शेयर करिएगा और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिएगा और बेल आइकन दबाना मत भूलिएगा।